basically, you know, just sit on the front of the bow of the boat and y'all can kind of fill it out. I really wish we had a push pole. That's the one fucking thing we didn't get. It don't matter.
Appreciate it.
So pass up. We'll
Let's see if I can just whip around.
Well, we'll go in this parking lot and get everything in the boat, and then we'll launch right up over there where that really right where he's at. It's going to be deeper off to the right, so preferably launch me in the deeper part of the water.
Craziness. Look at this.
Okay, I'll pull it up on the maps.
Man, look at some of their houses. That is crazy. I can't believe some people are not leaving when it's that bad. Look at that back there. This current here, just to let you see what we're dealing with, this current is moving unbelievable fast. It feels like rivers when I was out in Oregon.
That's the church over there. Where you see the green light.
This is Towns Road at 528. So the church is where?
The green light.
Then we can carry that.
Yeah. And holding it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Until you get it, at least can hold it steady.
And then y'all
We dropped the food off the guy with the John boat. And they're gonna take it over there because that current is ridiculous.
Brent? I think I'll go straight. What do you think? It's up to you, man. I mean, we know the way we came is fairly clear. Yeah. Yeah, because I remember going around that right there.
You also know that current's strong as fuck.
Yeah.
That current, it's crazy because you can't really appreciate it until you feel it, but that current is bananas. That's moving a lot of water.
Left. I was just putting on this bank.
There's a lot of water coming from that way.
Like up in the boat?
Yeah. Like in here?
Yeah, like maybe the wheel down. Yeah. Yeah, like that.
Look at that shit. How you get one of them stranded?
I know.
Hang on.
Yeah, just go fast. He said there wasn't anything to worry about.
I got it.
What the fuck was that floating over there?
What was that?
You saw that?
What was it?
I don't know, something crossing the highway like a fucking dog paddling or something. It literally looked like that.
Didn't it?
Yeah. Or a deer or something.
Or a deer.
Might have been a deer.
Wild.
Yeah. I wish we had that beef jerky. I'm gonna put this food down just in case we can't get it.
Hey, man. Do you have a stick or something like a hook? Like give me a hanger.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Oh shit. That one's tough.
Okay, this one is fun. This thing, you're gonna have to hold it like this at the seams.
He's very scared.
I need your help holding my hand fucked up.
Alright, I'm coming.